This next one is a song that I wrote for my mother. She passed away when I was 16, and it's about getting through that, and I hope you enjoy. My blue sea, salty air, just lost touch, feel despair, left unread, it's alright, what is up? You're down tonight, and I'm fresh, package sealed, now going back, die on my hill, and I'm fresh, out of ideas, out of time, I'm out of line, I'm fresh, I've got nothing but a barrel. I carved our names in testament. I yield my time, now go to hell. It's down this way. Stop me when you believe I'm fresh, package sealed, now going back, die on my hill, and I'm fresh, out of ideas, out of time, I'm out of my, been in my head for far too long. I'm damaged, but I'm still strong. Build this up to spill my guts, eat my words and play dress up, so you know that I'm fresh, package sealed, now going back, die on my hill, and I'm fresh, out of ideas, out of time.